Have you ever made Jamaican curry goat? Let me show you how I make this from scratch. We're not using a pressure cooker. Low and slow is the name of the game. Let's show you how this is done. Make sure you stay tuned. Full recipe is up on my website.
Curry goat and roti, yardman style.
So from the beginning, this is what we're gonna use. We're using beef tallow for our oil. You're getting the beef flavor, which it's just gonna work with the goat. So have that. And now this part is where they call burning your curry. This is actually blooming your curry. You want to use the oil and the curry to create a paste. That way you use that to coat your meat. Now your meat's already going to be seasoned, a little bit of curry, some salt and pepper, some jerk seasoning. Remember, the full recipe is written down below, so make sure you guys go check that out. Now I'm using my homemade beef stock to add to the braise, and right here I'm gonna cut up my seasonings. I'm using scallions, thyme, onion. We have ginger. We're gonna use some potatoes and carrots to help make the gravy, and we're just gonna let this braise on medium heat for about an hour, and then we're gonna turn it down on low, put everything in, and just let this go. Add a little bit more beef stock as needed. You probably don't need it if you're cooking really on low, but this is what it looks like after 2 hours. Now we're gonna go in with some green seasoning, some garlic paste, my thyme, my scallion, and a little bit more of that Jamaican jerk seasoning. It's kind of like my all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of salt and pepper. You gotta compensate for all that liquid that you added. All right, to know that it's simmered down, we can put the stove on absolute lowest until we get the meat as tender as we want and the sauce is looking good. Right here I petitioned my wife to make some roti for us. I'm not a baker, so she had to come in and fill in, and then we threw that on the comal on the stovetop because I was just craving curry goat and roti. Now these came out really good. This was my wife's first time making them. I just found a recipe online. Just look it up. Somebody might have it. I'm not an authority in roti, so I'm not gonna give you like a recipe. But these came out really, really good, and this is how we played it up. Let me know if you guys will try this, and remember, full recipe up on my website, cookingwithkunchi.com. Follow for more.